Hello colleagues, my name is Paul Vilevo Muyinda from Makerere University. I am here to discuss a few aspects about literature review while doing research. And therefore, our learning objectives in this short video will be that by the end of this video, participants should be able to gather literature they will review for their research problem or research topic. So, in this video, we are going to talk about why do we review literature, how do we determine the literature to review, where do we get credible literature to review, what are the different forms of literature we can review. So, starting with why do we do literature review? You are not the first to do literature on that topic or problem that you are tackling, because many other scholars have done research and published their findings on that particular problem or topic. So what you need to do is not to replicate what others have done, but rather to be able to add a brick to the existing fund of knowledge. So what is that existing fund of knowledge? This is indeed what we carry out in the literature review, to establish that existing fund of knowledge and what is there, what are the gaps, what are the similarities, and so on. So how will we determine the literature review for our different topics? Now, whenever you're carrying out a research, you normally have what we call objectives. And from these objectives, you can be able to derive variables in the study. For example, if your topic is causes of loan defaulting in microfinance institutions, the variables might be, for example, microfinance lending, loan collateral security, loan recovery procedures, loan defaulting, and so these variables will become the key topics or the key areas around which you search for literature. So it is advised that you get as much literature as possible on each of these variables. And this literature must be literature that is current enough to give you the present discourses in those particular variables. So where do we get credible literature to review? Credible literature can be derived from or can be got from institutional libraries. Our institutions have libraries. It can be got from content repositories. It can be got from Google Scholar, but it can also be got from the web. However, I must caution that the web is full of all sorts of writings, and therefore the person searching for literature must be able to determine whether the source that they are getting from their literature on the web is credible enough. So, what forms of literature can we review? The literature that we review can be journal articles, it can be books, it can be book chapters, it can be technical reports, it can be conference papers. So, these are the different forms of literature. And next time, we shall be able to see how we can be able to review literature. As for now, we end here. Thank you very much.